Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'm going to teach you how to multiply simple algebraic expressions together using two methods. The first method is called the FOIL method. The second method will be through using more traditional means of multiplication. So FOIL seems to be very popular these days, and it stands for first, outside, inside, last. And I've already drawn out the little arrows here for you. It's fairly simple. All we do is exactly what it says. So we start with f, which is first. So we multiply 3x by negative 4x. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. X times x is x squared. So we have 12x squared. And then we do the outside, so we do 3x times this guy clear over here. 3x times negative 1 is, of course, negative 3x. Now we do our two inside ones. 2 times 4x is 8x. And then we do our last one, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Now all we do is combine like terms. So we have 12x squared plus 5x, because I combine negative 3x and 8x, minus 2. And that is your solution. The next one I'm going to teach you is more like the traditional algebra that you learned. And this is actually my preferred method because I can do it a lot quicker and it makes sense to me. So as you can see, I'm actually going to line these up like I was doing 23 times 17 or any other double-digit multiplication. So we simply do what we would do first in regular multiplication. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 1 times 3x, negative 3x. We do a placeholder like we would anyway. 4x times 2, 8x. And then 3x times 4x, 12x squared. Now all that's left is we need to combine like terms. So we do 12x squared, negative 3x and 8x is 5x. And then negative 2 and 0 is, of course, negative 2. And if you line your equations up right, you can do it. Doesn't matter how many there are, you can multiply it and it'll line up right every single time. And as you can see, both of our answers, 12x squared plus 5x minus 2. So really, in principle, they both work. The key is just to figure out which one works for you the best and to roll with it. Have a good evening.